Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this Christmas decor. Let's go ahead and open it up to show you guys what you get. I'm pretty excited. I love Christmas just like my wife loves Christmas. And I know, wow, these are actually really nice. I was expecting, sometimes you get stuff like this and it's like bent over or knocked over. This is really nice, guys. Look at that. I love this. I think that's real wood. It smells like real wood. Wow. Really nice. So you get a couple pieces, some bigger ones, some small, but they're all the same. They're just bigger and smaller in size. Yeah, so they're all going to look like this. Just some are bigger and some are smaller in size. There's a few that, you might have to just trim off that are a little longer. You guys can see that one sticking out. Just pull that right out. But for the majority, you can bend it. So if you want to sway it, like if you're doing a project and you want to have it swaying like it's almost like windy or something, you can sway it to the left. These are really nice, guys.